Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I have a permanent marker
And we will write on this board with a permanent marker.
and I have a magic to erase permanent marker. Watch closely.
While we are writing here the name of Sahil. Look at here. This is a really
closely. This
permanent
is
marker.
a real permanent
And
marker.
we are writing Sahil channel name. Sahil. Sahil. YouTube channel name is Sahil
Educational. Why are this looks like
Educational
learning?
Learning. And this is Sahil YouTube channel. Alright.
Now it's my turn and I'll erase a permanent marker.
Now Sahil will erase with the permanent mark with the duster first. So let's see, is it erasing?
Is it erasing? No.
So wow. Now we are using this this is a board marker. This is a board marker as well.
Let's just make
white board marker. And this is also a board marker, but we don't know where it is written. So let's erase with this board marker.
Okay, I have magic, guys. Watch closely.
Excuse me, Sahil, can I do little bit like this way? And we are here to...
This looks like here.
Here we are like to
now I am
erasing. Yeah, I am erasing with the... go from start from that way and I have to start from this way. So this is also...
You use your own way. I have my own way.
Yeah. So we are erasing this with the board marker.
Yes.
It's really not a magic.
Watch closely, guys. If you don't, you have to watch it again. So,
yeah.
This is my magic. Guys, do you know, I told it my mom. She was just like this. That's funny.
Yeah, it was Sahil idea. I didn't even really didn't know about this magic that we can erase permanent marker writing on a whiteboard by the board marker. So it's really magic. I didn't know it.
I didn't see that coming.
Yeah. So now Sahil will erase this with the duster. So then we will finish almost. Now we are finishing this magic. So Sahil,
we are done.
So let's see, is erasing or not? Let's start with the duster, Sahil. See?
Let's see if it's erasing.
Oh, it's magic. Whoa.
Is this cool, guys?
Yeah. It is from here. So nothing should be left here, Sahil. It is with duster. So there should not be anything on the whiteboard. Right? Let's see.
Show me, I'll do it.
You can erase here.
I'm erasing first.
Yeah. Slow down, Sahil.
I have your technique. What are you using your technique? Now, only a few more sides
still
and we are
remaining few
done.
things. So we have to remove from here. Yeah.
Oh, my body's nice and clean.
Look at
This
here.
is my magic. Is this magic? Blame me. Comment down below if you think it's magic. And guys, wait. Should I show you my signature?
Yeah.
My signature is like this, and then this signature.
Oh,
I have 2 signatures.
what is another? So I say thanks for everybody because I am
First,
closing.
look at my signature. Look at my other signature. Is this one cool? Comment down below. Is this the signature cool or this